Thank you for joining in, and for today's video I actually have a threadless haul. I purchased some things that I wanted to see for myself and for like nice Christmas ideas and different gifts for the holiday season. So I picked up a notebook, and they do come in like a plastic bag here. And this is one of my illustrations. The colors came out really bright. I also have this on a blanket. And for this one, I chose the one with the lines so you can do your journaling. Or I do believe that they also come blank if you wanted it just to draw in. And the back is just plain. And they also have ones without the coil if you didn't want that. And the sizing, it's roughly like 5.5 by 8.5 there. And this, let's try to see here. These cute little buttons. I have a few different illustration designs for these as well. These are cute little gifts and a jean jacket. Or, well, you can put it on any type of jacket. I think they look the cutest on jean jackets for some reason though. And I wanted to see the quality of the prints. So I ordered 2 small prints. Some of my other illustrations. This is one here with the apple. And it's nice and vibrant and fun. And then you have your white border, and the back is plain. It's like some thick cardstock paper. Yeah, and everything looks pretty good. The print is nice and even, it's smooth. I don't see like anywhere where it missed or anything, so that's always good. The colors are pretty true to what I actually had. Sometimes that comes out different, so overall I'm really happy with this one. That's cute. And then this one is one of my, I really like the colors in this one as well. They are very, very vibrant. It's a fun desert scene with some of the drips. And then there's a little bit more of a white border here and then skinny on the side, so it's just a little bit different than the other one here. And they come in all different sizes. And then I have to pick up some frames for those. You can buy them framed if you wanted to. I just wanted to see the quality first. So, and that's that. And for pricing, I'm just going to put my shop link down below because of sales coming and going. The prices are definitely going to fluctuate. And then I have, let's see how much I could get in view here. I have a t-shirt. This one, let's see, I'll hold it up a little bit. This is one of my Leo illustration here. And the t-shirt itself is really, really soft. And I believe the one, this is the women's. I got a size medium because they do run a little small. It is the extra soft, the one that I chose, instead of like the regular. I think the regular one is just called the unisex for men and women. This one is definitely a little bit softer. But yeah, the quality looks pretty good there. And then the back is just plain white. And their customer service department is pretty good. If you have any issues, you can always contact them. So overall, I am happy. So we have the t-shirt, the notebook, the button, and 2 prints. Oh, that's right. I just forgot. I am still waiting for the mask to come in. I really wanted to see the quality of the face masks. But it looks like I'm going to have to do a separate review on that. Some of these are great for stocking stuffers as well, like the small things. Maybe the notebook or buttons. They have mugs. We have tote bags as well. And everything here, nothing over $20, I should say. So the t-shirts are around 20. The buttons are around 4 to 5. And then the notebooks are less than 10. And then the prints, depending on the size, these were around $10 to $12 for the small ones. And then of course the larger ones are more. But if that's an estimate, that can help somebody. So there's definitely things on there that are affordable. So we'll say this is the stuff that's like around $20 or less that you can pick up for presents or for yourself. And you can always check my social media. The links are down below because I always post when there's sales, especially now. So you can even save a little bit extra. And I will also link down below the other reviews that I've done. I have the blanket and the tote bags and sweatshirt and a few other things if you wanted to check them out that weren't included in this haul. And that is it for today. And I'll have to do the mask review in a separate video, so you can stay tuned for that. And be sure to like the video and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.